Hi, this is Rochelle Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to work in my PR and social media planner. The cover is from Live Love Crush. The discs are from Cloth and Paper, and the inserts that I use inside are printable inserts and other DIY pieces. I've just started this particular cover for the last quarter of 2025. So I have October, November, and December inserts in here. These printable inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons now. So what I've been doing so far for the month of October, we did this in a live stream. I started using the dashboards, these dashboards, printable dashboards available to Scrapcraftastic main channel members. So this is one. There was 3 released for October. They are still available if you are interested. And this is the second dashboard. So these are the 2 spreads I created. I did not um, put the dates on here. I may go back and do that and actually use it now. Maybe. I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like for that first week. And then this is the next week. And the idea was to use the dashboards for inspiration for this spread. Now, normally I have quite a bit of options for Halloween stickers. This year I didn't buy anything. Most of my kits that I have leftovers from don't really match or go with these dashboards. So I'm pretty much having to wing it, which is fine. So this is the third of the dashboards. And these dashboards, this set is called Sisters. So again, it's still available if you would like to become a channel member. The link is in the description box below. So she's the last of the 3, and I'm going to go ahead and do the layout inspired by her. So I'm just going to take all of this out. This is what the printable inserts look like. These are the vertical version. They also come in horizontal in a variety of different sizes. So these are the washies that I've pulled to use for this. And these are simply gilded washi tape. And then I'm just going to use basic boxes. I have a few printable stickers in my stash that I think will work with this, but I'm going to pretty much keep this very simple. Now, I did use this tape already. Do I want to use it again? I think I'm going to use it again. Let me think on that. While I'm thinking about it, I'm just going to go ahead and put down the other tapes and see what I got. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and dive in, and I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, that was a bit of a hustle, but I think I got it done and I'm happy with it. Actually, I'm happier with this one more than I am the other two. I think that turned out really nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And this is the dashboard that goes with it. I think it's pretty good. All right. So it's gonna pop this in. That's what it looks like. So that is it for this weekly setup. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.